Starting around 15 July 2023, fundamentally Smooth Love Elixir truly is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.15%. In truly most recent 1 hour, in a quite huge manner. SLP explicitly has a really complete market cap of $70,560,511, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,223,084, or so they basically thought. This explicitly makes most certainly Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, especially positioning at 306 in the digital currency market, which really is very huge. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the extremely Smooth Love Elixir cost expectation end of 2023, what will pretty Smooth Love Mixture for the most part be truly worth in 2023, or so they in every practical sense thought. Is for the most part Smooth Love Mixture a fundamentally wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in an extremely significant manner? Will SLP cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed high, which especially is genuinely huge? These really are our exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the genuinely Smooth Love Elixir conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense cross a really normal value level of $0.002. The normal pretty least value worth of kind of Smooth Love Elixir toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to for the most part be $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, SLP can for the most part arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest value level of $0.002, showing how this sort of makes commonly Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, essentially positioning at 306 in the digital currency market in a quite large manner. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value figure July 2023. The for the most part Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, cost for July 2023 may basically arrive at an in every way that really matters least worth of $0.002, while the kind of greatest gauge cost in a real sense is around $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. The very normal cost for SLP certainly is generally anticipated to for the most part reach $0.002 in July 2023. Smooth Love Mixture value figure August 2023. The normal cost of Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, could in a real sense go to $0.002 toward the finish of August 2023, which especially is very critical. SLP could by and large be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of $0.002, with the sort of least expected cost of $0.002 in a huge manner. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, beautiful Smooth Love Elixir cost in a real sense is estimate to for the most part arrive at a practically the least cost of $0.002, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The SLP cost could generally arrive at a really greatest cost of $0.002, with the in every practical sense normal expected cost around $0.002, which generally is very huge. SLP value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Smooth Love Elixir for the most part is estimated to in a real sense be at around a really least worth of $0.002, fundamentally further appearance how the SLP cost could basically arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0.002, with the sort of typical expected cost around $0.002 in a by and large significant manner. The genuinely Smooth Love Elixir value worth can for the most part arrive at a very limit of $0.002, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. SLP value gauge November 2023. Concerning November 2023, in every practical sense, Smooth Love Mixture really is supposed to generally arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. The SLP cost could arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme cost of $0.002, with the essentially normal cost around $0.002, showing that this by and large makes fundamentally Smooth Love Mixture, SLP kind of positioning at 306 in the cryptographic money market in a very huge manner. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP. Value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of sort of smooth love mixture essentially is truly anticipated to especially arrive at a very normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.002 and an exceptionally least of $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Elixir especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The especially Smooth Love Potion's cost in every way that really matters has shown a sort of good increment of 2.44% as of now in an unpretentious manner. From sort of most recent 7 days, the SLP in every practical sense was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.98%, kind of additional appearance. How really Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, in every way that really matters, Smooth Love Mixture cost explicitly is estimate to arrive at a sort of the least cost of $0.002. Extremely in spite of prevalent thinking, Smooth Love Mixture in a real sense has shown exceptionally serious areas of strength for lovely of potential of late. And this could be by and large great chance to in a real sense dive right in and generally contribute. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP truly diminished by 43.590%, killing an incredible especially normal amount of $0.001 from its sort of current worth in a genuinely enormous manner. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a for the most part great explicitly purchase a valuable open door for kind of fast interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 42.69%, and the cost explicitly coursed from a sort of least kind of typical cost of $0.003 to pretty greatest essentially normal cost of $0.003 in the genuinely beyond 90 days in a kind of huge manner. Smooth Love Mixture generally is somewhere near 18.16% with the greatest, by and large normal cost of the coin was around $0.002, and the really least for the most part normal cost of especially was around $0.002 in beyond 4 months, which in every practical sense shows that will SLP cost all things considered outperform its unequaled sort of high amazingly. Smooth Love Mixture Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will basically be really Smooth Love Elixir genuinely worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The SLP cost in a real sense is estimated to explicitly arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 0.0